Hello, today I'll be doing a video based on my chemistry project that I have. And right now I'm gonna start with the ingredients for this project. The ingredients I use to make my cookie. And for the ingredients we use 2.25 cups of flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 0.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of butter, 0.75 cups of sugar along with 0.75 cups of brown sugar, 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and last 18 ounces of chocolate chip. Now for the cookies, their history. So it all started in the 7th century when bakers were just baking small cake batters, right? And it was simple. There was no sugar in the cookies since it wasn't that accessible. But then after some time, sugar was more accessible. And sugar became one of the ingredients for cookies. And eventually, as more time passed on, there was more diverse cookies since there was more access to different types of ingredients. And so because of that, today we have the cookies we now know and love today. So cookies basically just evolved throughout time as access for different ingredients became more available. Along with that, there are chemical processes that occur in a cookie. When you have the cookie inside the oven baking, this chemical process named water vaporization occurs. And this is when the water reaches its boiling point. And when it reaches its boiling point, it turns into a gas. And this gas, it makes the dough rise more, and it also expands it more. And it helps create the shape that we're all familiar with, the round shape of a cookie. And then for the ingredients found inside the cookie, and there's a purpose for each one. And granulated sugar, for example, it's used to help the cookie become more flat, more crispy, and also more light colored. And then brown sugar, it helps the cookie become more moist and a lot more denser too. And then for last, we have baking soda. Baking soda, it helps leaven the dough, helps it become more fluffy, more soft, you know? And now for the last part of my video, I'll be sharing my cookies. I have three cookies right here. They're all soft, fluffy, amazing. Tastes pretty good, surprisingly. And yeah, here they are. Amazing cookies, original recipe. If I had changed anything, like for example, let's say I changed brown sugar. If I used all white instead of brown, then the difference would have been that these edges right here, they would have been a lot more crispier. But honestly, like for me, in my opinion, I like more softer cookies. So I'm going with brown. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember guys, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell and stay tuned for more informative videos.